Introduction to Air Conditioning Systems. Classification of air conditioning systems. The air conditioning system shown below is the most common type, direct expansion air-cooled. This type has a simple structure, easy and quick installation, and is cost-effective. The refrigeration cycle is concentrated in such a complete system. In addition to the common four components, in order to ensure refrigeration system stability and good control characteristics, the system has some other components. It does not support long-distance installation because such installation results in heavy cooling loss. The relative cooling energy efficiency is low. It mainly applies to small and medium-sized data centers. Huawei air-cooled refrigerant is R410A. This picture is also a system diagram of air-cooled air conditioning, but the refrigerant is cooled by water, so the system is more complicated. This system consists of two sets of cycles, the refrigeration cycle and the cooling cycle. Water-cooled mainly applies to areas with abundant water sources. It supports long distance and quick installation. Let's take a look at the most common form of chilled water air conditioning. The most typical feature of this type of air conditioner is that the refrigerant medium is chilled water. Because of the constant production of chilled water, the most basic system structure comprises two sets of circulatory systems. One is for heat exchange with the environment, and the other is for chilled water. Of course, this is just a simple system diagram. In order to ensure chilled water circulation, we have specially equipped a circulating water pump in the system. The circulating water pump is the core component of the chilled water cycle. This refrigeration system is common in medium and large-sized shopping malls, libraries, and data centers. The water-cooled, chilled water system is widely used in industrial manufacturing and large data centers, and this trend is increasing. This system is more complicated than the chilled water system. A special water system is added to the refrigerant cooling section to cool the refrigerant. It needs to be equipped with a circulation pump on both the chilled water side and the cooling water side. And a cooling water tower is generally built to cool the water. Of course, there are other classifications. Classify by the concentration degree of air conditioning devices. Centralized air conditioning system. The air treatment equipment is centrally located in the air conditioning room, and the treated air is distributed to the air conditioning system of each room through the air ducts. It is suitable for large areas, room concentration, and where the heat and moisture load of each room is similar. Semi-centralized air conditioning system. This air conditioning system has both central air conditioning and an air handling terminal device. The system is more complex and can adjust more precisely. Distributed air conditioning system. Each room has its own air conditioning equipment. This is suitable for situations with small area, scattered rooms, and large differences between heat and moisture loads of different rooms. According to their refrigeration architecture, air conditioners are classified as in-room, in-row, or in-cabinet. In-room air conditioner refrigeration objects are the whole cabinets. Huawei's in-room air conditioner solution is Netco 8000 series. it adopts down supply. In-row air conditioner refrigeration objects are the whole row of cabinets, because shorter airflow path allows it to save fan energy. This type provides better refrigeration. Huawei's in-row air conditioner solution is Netco 5000 series. It adopts horizontal supply and can realize higher power density. An in-cabinet air conditioner is installed inside a cabinet. Compared with in-row air conditioners, their airflow is shorter and power density is higher. According to their system air volume adjusting method, air conditioners are classified as constant air volume or variable air volume. The indoor temperature and humidity of constant air volume systems are regulated by changing the air supply temperature. The indoor temperature and humidity of variable air volume systems are regulated by changing the air supply capacity. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.